Here we can Christian Louboutin low top. You can see the shoes. First, let's check the accessories first. Shoes come with a dust bag. Yeah. One more laces. Spikes, some spikes. No cut. Shoes come with 2 dust bags, 1 shoes each. You can see, it's very nice. Another one. Okay, it's okay. Then let's check the shoes quality. Shoes made of calfskin. It's soft and very nice. Here is a bar here. The sole, yeah, nice, shiny. Another one. I love these shoes very much. Yes, really nice. Then let's check the size. Size on the tongue is 43. So my friends, if you also interested in these shoes, you can contact me. The box. Some people to protect the shoes in the box. Also the shoes label. It's all. See you.